Hey guys, I'm Cassie from Zappos, and I want you to meet Lanna here from Donald J Pliner. Elevate your look with this strappy platform design. It's constructed out of elastic material, so you have a very stretchy, comfortable, and conforming fit. It also has one up top around the ankle to secure your feet into place. The inside features a textile lining along with a very lightly contoured insole that is going to give you all-day comfort. There's a platform wedge at the bottom that's going to boost you in height over 2 inches, and as you can see, there is a rolling effect, so you have a durable rolling rubber outsole. Be a trendsetter when you wear this pair from Donald J Pliner.